To request access to the GSP extended data, open a web browser, then enter http://neuroinformatics.harvard.edu/gsp/LONI/apply. Be sure to read through and accept the GSP restricted data use terms. A copy of these terms will be emailed to you. You must sign and return the application via mail or fax to the Harvard Neuroinformatics Research Group. Fill out your account details and complete the access request form. Once your request has been approved, you will receive two emails, one to set your LONI account password and another containing a link to the GSP image data archive. To download the GSP data, follow the link to the GSP image data archive from your confirmation email. If you haven't already, log in now. Use the Download tab. Then follow Study Data, Study Info to download the GSP Data Dictionary and README files. Use the Download tab again. Then go to Study Data, Subject Characteristics to download the demographic and behavioral data. To download the GSP imaging data, use the Advanced Search Beta feature. Be sure to click on Pre-Processed and fMRI. Once the search results have been loaded, select all files and add them to an image data collection. Once you have the image data collection, select all files and then download.